Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to make a playlist on YouTube. Firstly, launch the application and then scroll down, take a look on a video which you want to get out and add it to a new playlist. For example, we'll go with, I don't know, with this video. Just go click on the three dots and then here as you can see you have many options, but also in the second selection is save to playlist. Go for that one and here it gonna shows up all your playlists on your channel. Now if you want to create a new playlist, just tap on your right upper side with a blue line section, new playlist, and here you can add a title and then, or firstly I will get a title, for example Serbian Woods, and then you can choose the privacy option. For you can go for unlisted, you can go for public, whatever you want. I will go with private and then go create, and when you go for see list, here you're gonna find out that section with a new playlist. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.